Economic analysis is a very important component of your fundamental analysis. Here we are trying to understand how is the environment in which the company operates. The overall economic activities manifest itself in the behavior of the stocks in general, which is quite obvious because whatever are the policies of the government, they are going to affect the stock market of that particular country, and hence the company is also going to be affected in terms of the market price of those shares. The success of the economy will ultimately include the success of the overall market. For studying the economic analysis, the macroeconomic factors need to be looked into is growth rate of GDP, savings and investment, industry growth rate, price level and inflation, agriculture and monsoon, interest rate, tax structure, BOP, that is balance of payment, forex reserves and exchange rate. So basically, if I have to put this entire factors into three categories, what we are talking about is the monetary policy of the government, the fiscal policy of the government, and what is the GDP or gross domestic product growth rate of a particular country. For example, tax structure, which is the fiscal policy of the government, it can use this fiscal policy tax structure to basically channelize more savings, hence more investment in the economy, which can be helpful for the overall growth of the economy. The BOP reserves and exchange rate, all of these are important in terms of government policies to execute certain ideas, plans of the government in order to boost the economy. So it's very important that as a analyst, we need to analyze what are these factors doing for economy. Let's say we take an example of India. We need to understand how these particular factors are working in India for the overall development of the private organizations or the company, or maybe a particular industry or company which I am interested to invest upon. Hence, this is an overview how economic activity impacts the fundamental analysis of a particular company. Next, we are going to see what is an industry analysis.